3 different ways to make a slip knot. So we're going to start off with method number 1. So have your yarn on the right hand side, measure out 6 inches down and take the loose end of your yarn and wrap it in a little loop-de-loop like so. So I'm going to show you again just in case that was too quick. So put your finger down on the yarn, take your loose end and make a little loop like so. With your thumb and index finger, like a little crocodile almost, poke it through the loop that you just made and grab onto the yarn on the other side and make sure you're pinching it tight. With your index finger on the longer tail of the yarn, you're going to just hold that in place when you pull it up, and that will make a slip knot just like so. So I'm going to show you again because that was quite quick and it's always good to see it second time. So once more, yarn on the right side, that I got confused about, so yarn on the right, make a little loop and with your thumb and index finger poke that through the loop just like so and grab onto the tail end of the yarn on the other side. Using your index finger on the other hand to hold the yarn down, pull the loop upwards and that will make your first slip knot. When you are done with that, you can insert your crochet needle and pull it so it's snug, and then you are ready to get on with your crochet project. So now I'm going to show you method number 2. This is the method I use and that I was taught, and I get along with it well. So with your index finger, that on there, you're going to get your yarn, wrap it not once but twice around your index finger, and with the tail end of the yarn you're going to push it underneath the second loop on your finger, remove your finger and pull it up just like so, and that will make a slip knot. Again, I'm going to show you because that might have been quite quick. So wrap it 1, 2 times around your finger. With that loose end, tuck it underneath the second loop on your finger. Hold it whilst you remove your finger and then pull it up whilst holding the long end of yarn. And that makes a slip knot. So time for method number 3, and this is quite a new method for me and it is insanely simple, which I love. So on the opposite hand, wrap it twice around your index finger. Take that first loop, put it over the second one, holding it in place, take the second loop and put it around your finger like so, and just remove your finger and pull. It's so simple. I think if you're a beginner, this is the one for you. I'm going to show you again. Not that I have to, it's quite simple, but so you wrap it 1, 2 times round. With that first loop, grab it and pull it over the second one, and grab the second loop and pull it over that one and around your finger. Remove your finger, and then that's a slip knot. And that's it from me, guys. It was a very quick video, and thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit Ella.Price.Crochet on YouTube. Thank you very much. Bye.